Hey everybody, today we are going to unbox the Logitech Z407 Bluetooth PC's speaker. It's a 2.1 80 watt speaker, and let's take a look. Here's the back illustrating the wireless knob. That's really gets me, you know. So without further ado, let's open up this bad boy. Right, first up we can see the instruction manual right at the packaging. A very good out-of-box experience indicating what to do, what it has. Straight up you can see the puck. I call it a puck, but it's actually a wireless knob that controls the volume, as well as the play, pause, the backtrack, the forward, as well as on the back side, underside, you have the Bluetooth connect. It's a very rotatable wireless knob and very easy to use. Next up we have the standard manual, just 2 page. You can put that aside right now. Pull this up and we can see what the Logitech speaker. It even includes the GP alkaline AAA battery, so that's a really plus point from Logitech's. Thumbs up. Over here you can see there is the speaker feet that kind of prop up the speaker in 2 directions, which I will demonstrate later. The package even comes with a 3.5mm AUX audio cable. Okay, now the big boy, the subwoofer right here. Very easy to take out, and it comes with a 2-pin plug. Let's tear up this bad boy, man. Okay, what we have here is pretty small actually. I'll have it put under my desk on a cabinet, and it is pretty small yet powerful. You can see the sub from the underside. At the rail there are just 4 input: the audio left right input, the aux, as well as the USB input. The top is pretty flat top, and that's okay, pretty good. And the front is a very simple design with a tweeter. The left speaker is a very clean design with no logo, small tweeter, but work effectively. The design is minimal with a rectangle block blend to a capsule shape, so pretty well designed and solid. Although it's made of ABS plastic, it feels really high quality. As for the feet, it is a plastic molded part with some rubber feet that kind of cushion the speaker. The best thing, if you look at the back, there's 2 slots. One is for the horizontal position and the other is a vertical position. So you can have the freedom to choose how you want to place your speaker on your workspace and your desk. Very easy to insert, no screw, no tools whatsoever needed. With that, just like that, you can have your speaker ready. So let's set it up and plug it in. So you have the gray and the blue, and that's it. We need the power to the power outlet, and we are more or less connected. Now let's talk about the puck. So this is what really got me to buy this speaker. It comes with a wireless puck that kind of game changing the user experience of the volume control and connectivity with your iPhone and mobile phone. Blue Fashion is looking for the device, and once it's connected to the phone, it will light up. Use a headphone for the best effect and enjoy, guys.